Woo! Hello, good morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening to all of you. Welcome to the Show. And today, I know I know it's not Gunpla, but this is one of my childhood. Yes, it's part of my childhood, and I really like this model. And yeah, as I remember, there is already from this series. It's a series, but it's a game. There are already two kits from this game that was released in. It's not. I don't know if it's a bootleg or a third party because I don't know if it's given a license to release those kits. But yeah, they're also good, but they're very expensive. Yeah, that's why I think that's the reason why I didn't get it. But yeah, there is something here that in my, it's not a conscience, but in my feeling that I should have it. It's part of my childhood. Then why did I not bought that kits? There are two of them. But yeah, today we have, yeah, specifically on the first games of this game. Yeah, it's like a first chapter like that. Okay, so yeah, let's go. I'm telling you all about it, but without knowing what will be on this parcel or package. Yeah, let's go with my not so rusty, but still sharp hobby knife. Let's go and let's unleash. Let's go. Okay, so before we go to the kit itself, I would like to, yeah, I would just like to thank, because the shop that I've ordered this kit is from your, see that, from the Snapfit Collectibles. Thank you so much, Snapfit. Again, it's not sponsored, but when I'm ordering Snapfit, I'm always giving thanks to them because they have a very nice box here, man. They have a really custom box that they really made for your kits. Yeah, that's why it's very safe. And yeah, I can see here, there's no dent, man. It's very secure. So Snapfit, thank you so much. Yeah, if I can have some link of this, go to the tag products from the Snapfit Collectibles. Okay, I will put there. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much, Snapfit. If you want some bootleg or some kits, go to Snapfit Collectibles. They really give you a secured parcel or package. Okay, so yeah, now let's go to the kit. So we have here your, yeah, I don't know how to read it, but it's 001 SS, and I don't know what is that. So we need to open it a little bit. Yeah, it's not yet an unboxing, but I need to open to show you what kit is this. Okay, because wow, the back. I'm excited to build it. Yeah, yeah, but I need to get the instruction manual so that you can relate on what what I have here right now. Okay, so I will open the what's that? The instruction manual. It doesn't have any shape, so I will just show you the back part. Yeah, see that? Okay, and this one, the complete part of the manual. Yeah, because we have your Mega Man, and this is, it's not the Gaia armor, it's the Mega armor. I forgot, but it's from the Mega Man, which in the Western it's called Mega Man. In the Japan they call it Rockman. Okay, wow. And again, it's not yet an unboxing, but I will want you to see the parts, how crisp the part is, and even having that part right here that is a clear plastic, the red one. See that, man? It's very nice. The stickers were only this one. Yeah, and then the parts right here. Oh, this is the feet, man. Nice, very nice. And the blue parts, wow, I'm excited. And here, the yellow part. Oh, and even the the face of Mega Man or Rockman is painted. Wow. Yeah, and whoa, the hands, the old style hands, man, which is the very big hands. Shucks. I want to build this first. Yeah, I'm excited for this one. The color, there are two types of colors. It has the blue and the sky blue. Yeah, see there? I want this. I really need to build this first. I'm excited for this one. And we have some effect parts. It even have some clear green parts right here. Yeah, I think we don't have an effect parts, but still, it's a big, yeah, it's a buy. It's really nice. And if you will buy this in its SRP, you will need a 1,000 to 1,200 pesos or 1,100 pesos. But if you get some vouchers, man, I only get this for 790 pesos. Yeah, it's very cheap. But the product is very nice, okay? I think this is also a bootleg because as I remember, this kit is already released by the Kotobukiya. So yeah, I hope this line will continue and they will release Zero. And as I remember, this armor, it also has the Gaia armor, which the armor of Mega Man or Rockman that cannot be pierced by those turns, because there are thorns on the game, which if you don't have that Gaia armor, if you touch those thorns, you're automatically died. Yeah, and you will repeat the game. And for Zero, I hope they will do the old school Zero, having that red, and then the black Zero. It's also nice. Yeah. So I hope this line will continue. It's called SS001. I hope there will be a 002, 003, and 4, because I'm a fan of Rockman and Mega Man games. I'm always playing it. I still have that on my PSP. I also have that on my Xbox. Yeah, do I have that in Xbox? Yeah, but I have that games. I'm always playing that game. Even on my emulator on my tablet, yeah, I also have that. That's why I'm so excited. Yeah. Give me this time that I will be excited, okay? So that's for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. So if you like this kind of videos and content, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe. Please hit that notification button for our next video. And the same, it will have an unboxing. And then after that, before you can see that unboxing, you already see the live build, because we'll have a live build for this one. So see you in the live build. And yeah, it will now not a Gunpla showcase, but it will be a kit showcase, or just a showcase of the toy or the kit. Yeah, Mega Man showcase. Let's go for that. Okay, so for that, guys, thank you so much. So good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake the Bass signing off, and Gunpla Show signing off. Let me get it without the reflection of it. That's it. And peace out, guys. Thank you and peace out. Bye. See you on the live. Bye bye.